Area of parallelogram whose diagonals are 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap and I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Here we have to find out area of parallelogram with the help of diagonals. Two vectors are given which are representing diagonals of that parallelogram. Suppose in this diagram we have representing diagonals with d1 vector and d2 vector. So d1 and d2 are two diagonals of the parallelogram that is representing here ABCD, and we have to find out area. Area can be find out with the help of diagonals. So first we will see what are the diagonals. Diagonals are given as 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap, and other diagonal is I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. So these are the diagonals given in this question, and we are considering it as d1 vector and d2 vector, and we have to find out area of parallelogram. Parallelogram which is considered here, that is ABCD, and with the help of diagonals we can say area of parallelogram will be 1 by 2 times of modulus of d1 vector cross d2 vector. So in this we have to find out cross product or vector product of d1 vector and d2 vector. So for finding that we will use matrix method. So here matrix will be drawn in the following manner. In matrix method we have to use 3 row and 3 column, and first row will be of I cap, j cap, k cap, and second row is of coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap of first vector. First vector here is d1 vector. So coefficient are 3, 1, minus 2. These are representing coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap respectively. Now third row is of coefficients of second vector, that is d2 vector, and coefficients are 1, minus 3 and 4 respectively. Therefore this is matrix. Now we will simplify this one according to the rules of matrix method. So first term is I cap, remaining part is matrix of 2 by 2, which can be determined by hiding column and row consisting I cap. So by hiding that row and column consisting of I cap, we will get remaining part 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4. Now moving on to the second term, that is j cap. According to rules we will use minus sign, and remaining part is matrix of 2 by 2. By hiding row and column consisting of j cap, we will get matrix 3, minus 2, 1, 4. This is the remaining matrix of 2 by 2. Now third term, that is of k cap, and remaining matrix of 2 by 2 will be 3, 1, 1, minus 3, which can be calculated by hiding k cap row and column. Now on simplification we will get I cap, and on simplifying this by cross multiplying, so 1 cross multiply with 4 we will get 4, and minus 3 on cross multiplication with minus 2 we will get 6, and we will subtract these two terms. Now moving on to j cap, we will get two terms by cross multiplication. So first 3 by 4 it will be 12, and multiplying 1 with minus 2 it will be minus 2. So on subtracting this we will get coefficient of j cap. Now moving on to k cap. So k cap on cross multiply we will get minus 3 and 1. So again by subtracting this we will get the result. So coefficient of I cap is coming out to be minus 2. Coefficient of j cap, that will be by calculating we will get 14, and k cap we will get minus 10. So result of d1 vector cross d2 vector is coming out minus 2 I cap plus 14 j cap, in between minus 14 j cap, and third part will be, that is minus 10 k cap. So this is the result of d1 vector cross d2 vector. Now we have to find magnitude of d1 cross d2 vector. So magnitude can be find out by simple conclusion, that is under root of square of all the coefficient by adding them. So coefficients are minus 2, minus 14 and minus 10. So By squaring them, we will add, and taking under root will give the modulus of d1 vector cross d2 vector. On simplification, we will get 4 plus 196 plus 100. On further calculation, we will get 300, or we can write it as 10 root 3. This is the result of modulus of d1 vector cross d2 vector. With the help of this, we have to find area. Area of parallelogram, as discussed, is half of modulus of d1 cross d2. Therefore, half of 10 root 3, which is the answer of d1 vector dot d2 vector modulus. Therefore, we will get 5 root 3. So, answer of this question is, that is, area of parallelogram is coming out 5 root 3 unit. Thank you.